Okay, so this is going to be a video explaining how I did 9.1.7 for the lab 2 for IE330. So the question states a consumer products company is formulating a new shampoo, and the bubble foam height is normally distributed with a standard deviation of 20 millimeters, and they want to test the hypothesis test that the average height of the foam is it going to be 175 or is it going to be greater than 175? So the first part of the question wants to find the type 1 error probability. So that's the probability of rejecting the null when it's true, right? I don't know. So the formula which we're given in the textbook is z greater than a certain z value that is given by the data given in the problem, right? So like if z is greater than or less than a certain value, so we're given that if x bar is 185, so we have x bar is 185, we have the mu 0, which is 175, and then we're given standard deviation of 20, and then we have 10 samples, so it's root 10, and then we calculate that value, which is 1.58. Z, the probability that z is greater than 1.58, and then you just go to a z-score table and you look at 1.58 and you find the percentage, the decimal that corresponds to that number, and it's 0.0507. Next says what is the probability of a type 2 error when the true mean is 185. So that means that 175 is now going to be 185. And now we just calculate it. Type 2 error is kind of similar to the type 1 error. You know, it's p, except is z in between a couple values, but we're only given one because it's a one-tailed test. So it's z is less than or equal to this number. We want the probability that z is less than or equal to 0. Look at the z table, you get 0.5. And then change it again to 195. So we go back to we do the same thing again. We get 1.58 and 0.0571. There you go.